In this question, we have to implement a stack using two queues. So here we have a stack. We have to push 2 into it, 3 into it, and then pop 3, then push 4. Again pop operation, pop. But we have to implement this stack using queues. So suppose here are two queues, Q1 and Q2. Whenever we have to add the elements, we will add it into Q1. So we push 2 into Q1. Now, the remaining elements of Q2 we have to push in Q1. But till now we don't have any element in Q2. We can't push any element from Q2 to Q1. Now we will swap these two queues. So after swapping, this 2 will come here. Now we have to push 3. So we always push the new element into Q1. And after that we can see that in Q2 we have 2. So we will remove 2 and push into Q1. Now we can see that we have pop operation. But before that we have to swap this. So all the elements of Q1 goes to Q2 and Q1 become empty. Now we have to pop. So we will pop always from Q2. So this 3 will come out. Now we have to push 4. So we always push new element in Q1 and the remaining elements of Q2 to Q1. So Q2 again become empty. But we have to swap these two. So all the elements of Q1 comes into Q2 and Q1 became empty. Now we have pop operation. So we will pop from Q2. So we will get 4 in our output. Now see the code. Here the Q1 and Q2 is globally declared, means so that we can use both queues in both function, push and pop. So whenever we have to add an element, in which queue we will add the element? Q1. So simply in Q1 append the element and the element is X. Now check in Q2. We will remove all the elements from Q2 and push it to Q1. This is syntax for removing the element from the beginning of the queue. And then append this value in Q1. Now we will swap Q1 to Q2. Now we will done with our push function. Now see the pop function. In pop function, if Q is empty, then we have to written -1. This syntax is same if Q is not empty. We can write this also like this if Q underscore 2 is not empty, is not none. If it is not none, then return the first element from the Q2.